How many of you are saying to yourself, here I go again. I need to find another staff member for this position. Where am I going to find anyone, let alone the right fit for my business? Do you find yourself saying things like, no one responds to my adverts. These candidates are asking for more and more money. How can I be sure they are going to stay beyond 6 to 12 months? How can you be sure that you are in a good position to identify the right fit for any position that you need to fill without feeling desperate, defeated, and deflated? What can you do to try and ensure that you minimize the impact of the candidate's demands while balancing what you both need? You can really do this during recruitment and hiring, but the processes really need to not only maximize finding the right fit, but increasing the chances of retention, addressing areas of growth and development. Let's face it, owners and their leads want to be able to develop others into leaders, happy, productive team members, and those who like to come to work in your business. All because they know what they stand for and what you stand for. And in order to get the right fit, I'm going to give you 3 tips that you need to ask and answer to make sure that you're not just hiring another warm body. So here they are. The first tip, define the purpose of the position that you are hiring for. Well, you say that's easy. It's a clinical position. It's a support staff position. That is the name of the position. It does not describe the purpose. So the purpose should really describe what this position will do for your business and its mission. Here's an example of what a purpose statement might look like for you. To maintain the gold standard in helping our patients or clients attain and regain their functional independence so they can return to activities they enjoy. This is not just about treating patients. It defines the purpose. I'll be back this week for part 2 in this series that you won't want to miss.
Thanks so much for tuning in. It's leaders like you who make the difference when it comes to building a strong culture that withstands all the tests that your business faces. And because of leaders like you, those who've shared their toughest challenges with me, I realized I had to find a better way to help get you through the biggest hurdles that you face while operating your business. A budget-friendly way to help you overcome your recruitment, retention, and team culture issues that afford you more time, energy, and on-the-job happiness. And a system that allows you to build a rock-solid team and team culture that supports you, your clients, and your community. For more details, visit growstrongteams.com/recruit. Enrollment is officially open and small group coaching begins September 7th. Hope to see you there.